Hope you are well at home, inshallah. You are watching Satrangi channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. So आज का ट्यूटोरियल स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको लास्ट ट्यूटोरियल का ओवरव्यू कराती हूँ। लास्ट ट्यूटोरियल में हमने ये सीखा कि हाउ टू क्रिएट अ टेबल नेम इज न्यूज़पेपर, हाउ टू क्रिएट कॉलम, how to set the data type, how to set the length. So we will create a table and type the query. Create space table name. The table name is newspaper. You will change the table name if you want. Bracket open. Column name is feature, space, watch hour is data type, bracket open, 15 is the length, bracket close, space, note null, comma. Next section is the column name, char is the data type, bracket open, 1 is the length, bracket close, comma. Page is also a column name, number is data type, next bracket close. So we type the query in SQL editor. Next we will do that how to insert the data in newspaper table. So type the queries, type insert space into space table name. The table name is newspaper, space value, the value which was inserted in this table. So bracket open, type single quote, type the data you will insert it into feature column. I type national news, single quote, comma. This data will be inserted into feature column. The data type is voucher and the length is 15. Comma, single quote, A, single quote, comma. A data will be inserted into section. The data type is char and the length is 1. Single quote, 1, single quote, bracket close. 1 will be inserted into column name page and the data type is number. So here we will start this tutorial. This tutorial I will learn how to this query in runtime SQL editor. So go to Google Chrome, type Google page, type in SQL editor runtime, SQL statement, SQL try editor v1.6 is the link. I right click, open link in the new tab, SQL editor here. So I type the query, backspace, the query is here. So create a table. The table name is newspaper and the column name is section, feature and page type. You will also change the table name, column name, data type. So type query and now I run the query. Click button run SQL. Restore. I will also create a table in last time, so the data will be not inserted, means no run the query. So I restore the database, the table will be restored, deleted. So type the query again and run SQL. So here is the result. You have made changes to the database. The table will be created here. The name is newspaper and 0 rows will be inserted. So next step is how to insert the data in SQL editor. Type the query, type insert space into space table name, space value, bracket open, single quote, type the data. You will type the column name. Column name is section, feature and page. This data will be inserted into section, feature. This data will be inserted on section. This data will be inserted into page. So I run the query. Row 1 will be affected. So the newspaper, here is the row 1 will be inserted. So I click newspaper. Here is the result. National news, section A, page 1. In another row we will insert it type insert into newspaper, values, sports, section D, page number 1. Run the SQL query and another row will be affected. So here two row will be inserted. Click newspaper and another row will be shown here. So we will insert another row, type the query and SQL editor, insert into table name, space, value, bracket open, single quote, type the data in feature column, single quote, comma, type the data in section column, single quote, type the data in page column, single quote, bracket close, run the SQL query. Row 1 will be affected. So here is the result. Row 2 will be converted row 3. So click newspaper, the row will be inserted. So I will insert another row, copy and paste the query in SQL editor and run the query, and another row will be inserted, and 3 to convert will be 4 rows, and another row will be inserted, copy and paste, run the SQL. Row 1 will be inserted, 5 row will be inserted. The table name is newspaper, click newspaper, the 5 rows will be inserted into here. The column name is feature, another column name section, another column name is page. Feature is data type bar chart, section is data type char, and page the data type is number. So here we start this tutorial. In this tutorial I will learn how to use order by statement, how to select the data, and here we start the tutorial. So type the query, select static. I use static main. All the data in this table display here. Select so from, then we type the table name. The table name is newspaper. So I will run the query. So number of 5 recorded will be displayed here, and the result there. So the query will be run and the result will be shown there. So next query is that how to order the data. You will see that section data will be in organized. A alphabetically not ordered data, then D, then A, then E, then C. So I will order the data section A, then E, then C, then E, D, alphabetically ordered. So type the query, select static from newspaper, then type the query order space by space column name, which I will order them section. So run the query. So here is the result. A alphabetically this column will be ordered. A, then C, then D, and the E will be result here. All the column of the data will be ordered according to the section alphabetically. It will change feature accordingly alphabetically. So I type feature. So here click run SQL. Here is the result, alphabetically order. First business column, feature column alphabetically, row will be business, then editor, then national news, then sports, then W, weather. At alphabetically ordered B, then E, then N, then S, then W. If we will change to according to page order by, then change the column name will be changed, and the name will type is page. Run SQL. So here is the result: 1 1 1 2 12 according to order by numeric numbers. So, and another query we will type is equal query, specific data to find the specific data in column. So I select section. Here we start the query. Type select, type static, all the table with data inserted to select the data. From enter table name newspaper, space, enter, type the query. We will type the condition where column name section. I will just show the data. Section column row will be A. The data will be inserted in A, just I show. So type single quote A, single quote, run the SQL query. So here is the result: number of 2 record display. Section A will be added, just 2 rows. National news editorials A section, page 1 and 12. So 2 rows will be inserted. Section A is equal statement query we will be write when we will get the data specific value. So the next tutorial I will learn how to write the query less than, greater than, or above, below the data. So like my videos and share my videos. Keep watching my tutorials. Thank you for watching my videos. Inshallah we will meet soon. Allah Hafiz.